Hello everyone, today I'm presenting MalHunter, a static malware analysis framework developed in Java. This tool analyzes suspicious executable files without running them, helping identify threats safely. MalHunter combines three powerful techniques: PE, file analysis, entropy calculation, and MITRE attack mapping, and string search. So, first of all, I want to recommend you to clone or download this repository in a malware analysis system such as Remnux or another virtual machine, because we do include a malware samples folder where you can find real malware such as WannaCry or Petya that are real ransomware, and if you download this repository on Windows, you will be able to run the program, but Windows Defender is going to block these samples and you will not be able to analyze real malware, right? So how does MalHunter works? MalHunter is a static analysis tool, so examines files without executing them. And this is crucial for security because we do not have risk of a system infection. Is a type of analysis that is faster than running malware in sandboxes and can reveal hidden characteristics and capabilities. So after you download this and execute it, you're gonna have something like this. This is the main program, right? You see that we have the three cores here: the P header, the strings and search string field, and imports and TTPs. So let's begin opening a portable executable file from malware samples here, and we're gonna get WannaCry first. So as you see, it's already loaded, and we have all the strings, imports and TTPs, and the header. So let's start from the header. We gonna have the program will retrieve some basic information such as the name, or the entropy. The entropy is the level of obfuscation, packing, encryption, randomness on a file. We're gonna have the hashes of this file and the P header, but most important, we're gonna have the sections here with the entropy of each section. As you see, we have some common sections here such as data, resources, that contains vital information from the malware we are analyzing here. Second step, we're going to have the strings. As you see, we have a message here saying that it's finished. We have a lot of strings loaded inside the program and the DLLs that were found. So the idea here is that the program loads every string inside the program and defining its type, if it's ASCII for example, or if it's Unicode. And it allows us to search in real time for a combination of characters or a term. Let's see, for example, I'm gonna search for crypt, and you see we do have crypt import key, crypt release content. I mean, you can find important strings way faster than performing a string command on Linux terminal concatenated with the grep Linux command to try to find a combination of characters. So this way is way easier to find the strings that you are looking for. And in last point of this program, last step, is the imports and TTPs, where we can see the DLLs that this executable imports, the function that should execute, the category of this function, and such as the MITRE tactic or MITRE technique that try to analyze the file and links to a MITRE technique. As you see here, for example, we do have a process injection, DLL injection, and the program will tell us if this behavior is normal or is suspicious. So for another example for this video, I'm gonna show you Petya, for example. Let's open a different executable file. And we have way different imports here with different functions, different categories, such as, for example, user interface. And we'll keep this logic, alright? We'll keep the logic of looking at it, analyzing its behavior, and telling you if it's normal behavior or suspicious. And we'll link to a MyTree technique and tactic to tell you exactly what type of technique this malware is trying to perform or does perform when you execute it on a system. Again, we do have strings here, right? And we can search. I don't know. I'm gonna see create. As you see, create. If we search for create, you have a create event, create mutex, exw as another other things that performs. You see, log system. Anyways, and we do have the header here that show us the sections, the entropy of the file and the entropy of the sections, such as the hashes for threat intelligence. Alright, so thank you for watching the video. This is MalHunter portable executable static malware analysis tool, and see you in the next video.